Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. I hope everyone had a fantastic week and I hope that you have your goals for this week so you can always go back and see what happened and what did not happen, what you can change from doing that by using a trading journal and by documenting everything that you're doing so you have a better understanding. But one of the things that I also want to talk about is the Ethereum trade that I did take. I am in profit at this moment that I spoke about last week. Also, make sure to follow me on my YouTube channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time and when I do have my daily updates. I always go through cryptocurrencies, the latest TA, if we have any news announcement happening, and I also give you some insights on what's happening on the indices. But another thing that I want to talk about is BYBIT for everyone that lives in the UK. So they do have one announcement that from 1st of October, BYBIT will no longer accepting accounts. From October 8th, UK customers will no longer be able to make any deposits, create new contracts, or increase of their any existing positions for all products and services. They can, however, reduce and close their positions and withdraw their funds from our platform. They also say that UK customers who are implicated by these measurements are strongly encouraged to take action by January 8th. To manage and wind down their positions. After this, the deadline, their open position will be liquidated and their liquidation funds will be available for the withdrawal. So you will not be able to use BYBIT anymore, but if you're looking for another super good platform to trade on, then of course you can use Bitflex still. On this platform, you don't need any KYC, and for everyone in UK, you will be able to use this platform when you're using the links in the description down below my video for Bitflex, and when you're depositing $100, maybe you have more money, but when you are depositing $100 and you placing your first trade, you will get a $10 back. But I also want to share with you the trade that I'm in right now. So I did enter a short position on Ethereum from the video I spoke about last week. I'm up $16 at the time. I do have my take profit a little bit further down, so hopefully the market will continue down, okay, and don't go straight up to because I'm gonna make sure I'm at break even so I don't lose my position. Let us go into the charts and see what's happening. Let us first of all go to BTC now. So on BTC, we can see on the monthly or the weekly that I do have a trend line. If we are losing the support level at 25,600, which it definitely looks like we're gonna do, looking at candlesticks patterns and the momentum that we do have down, USDT is right now also pushing to the upside. The next target is of course the previous resistance combined with the trend line down at 24,195. So around this level, this will also of course be a retest of the trend line, which usually will also give us a bounce back up. So if we have trouble breaking this level, going down to the lower time frames, as I said, we are still inside the sideways market. We retested the high at 27,390. Was this last week? It must have been, and we are heading down to the previous support 25,600. Of course, we can see the market drop down to the fake out level 24,890 for a potential reverse back up. So we are still inside the sideways market, but if we do continue to have more bearish momentum, 24,195 is my target for BTC. When we're looking at Ethereum, I also want to go to the weekly chart, and we have we've had one small pullback on the weekly a couple of weeks ago. On Ethereum, we have lost the support at 1,600. So for this one, we have the previous support level down at 1,495 as the next potential target. After that one, we have this level down here at 1,300. So if we are losing the support level at 1,500, the next level will be down at 1,315. Let us go down to the lower time frame. So it was around these levels that I did enter the short position, because we saw how the market was consolidating a lot on the lower time frames. We saw this spike up to the upside, retesting the high once again. And from this previous resistance, we also had a fake out from it. So breakout market, then close below the level, and we started to have a lot of momentum down. We have a retest of the previous support at 1,590 at this moment. So breakout retest, we of course can see the market close inside of the support once again. trend, and this is the reason why I will change my stop loss to break even. So if the market, because we can have a tendency on the cryptocurrencies that we see some fake outs to the downside, then the market continues up. But hopefully the market will hold this previous support as a resistance for this next momentum to the downside on Ethereum. Just wanted to show you a little bit quickly on how it looks on USDT. So USDT broke up inside the support once again. We saw some retest of a previous support at 8.3%, and the next target for USDT is of course up at 8.40%, going to the weekly candlesticks. So it just goes against what what BTC is doing. We saw a small pullback after the break of structure, and yeah, so we're looking at 8.40%, also 8.80%, and everything depends on how volatile the market will be this week, because if we're going sideways, the market is going sideways for a while. So make sure to also follow me on my Twitter account. This is where I give you a lot of updates on the charts when I'm not live or when I don't have my daily updates. And I've already this day been giving you some information about what I see on both Ethereum and on BTC. So yes, remember that for BYBIT, anyone that lives in the UK, you will not be able to use this platform anymore. And you saw the information that I gave you. But Bitfire is a great platform for you to be able to continue to trade on your cryptocurrencies. And you have right now, through the links in the description down below the video, when you are depositing $100, you will get $10 back on your first trade. So this is good. We just solved everything. We just solved everything from BYBIT to Bitflex. It's really good. Now I hope everyone will have a fantastic day. We see each other in the next live stream. So bye.